Hey guys, and welcome to another training here with Yousif Alias from Kenji CRM. In this training, I'm going to show you how to build a whole business using Kenji CRM and start making money and crushing it before your trial even ends. Within the first 3 months, 3 weeks, we're going to focus on getting you some money rolling in to your bank account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into this thing. All right. So, what are we going to need? The first crucial thing that we're going to need is a Kenji funnel. This is not what I'm looking for. So, let's take that away. We're going to need a Kenji funnel, right? So, this is very important. So, we're going to start with this in the beginning. So, we're going to go on Kenji and we're going to go to websites, funnels and websites, and we're going to create a funnel. Now, we can click here, and if you already have a name for the funnel, we're just going to call it test. We also have templates, funnels, so let me know if you need a template with any account by going to support, and then at the very bottom, there's a ticket. Please tell me what kind of template you need for your funnel. And the funnel name, of course. Right here, we can add a funnel step, and then we're just going to call it opt-in. This is where people are going to actually sign up for your funnel. And if you've used ClickFunnels before, you can just put the ClickFunnels URL right here and copy the page, but that's optional. We're just going to create the funnel. We're going to go ahead and open it. And the funnel is pretty simple. It's going to have something to grab attention. Usually the header, the top is going to be made out of 2 columns. So as you can see, I have 2 columns. And right here is where the logo goes on the left side. We're going to put a logo. We're just going to do a test logo. We're going to search the images and see if there's a logo. So there you go. We're going to use this. So we're going to assume that's our logo. We're going to add some menu here, maybe login, maybe something like your one stop for lead generation. So for in this example, we're just going to assume that we're selling lead generation for business owners, right? And we want them to sign up and get some leads with us. So your company logo, your statement, your mission statement right here, and now we need to create another section. We're going to make this a white section. We're going to add a row. This row will have 2 columns, and in this column we're going to have something like maybe a form. All right, so we don't have a form, and it will show you that you don't have a form. So we're going to right click and open this in another tab. No, it didn't let us. So let's just click on that without right click. Ignore that. So once it opens up, it will allow you to create a form. So now this is when you're going to collect information of someone that you can resell and remarket to whatever products you want. It can be anything. All right. So in this example, we're just going to ask for full name, and we're going to ask for email, and we're going to give them a button to click on, right? So they can submit it. We're going to call that button submit, or so whatever, get offer, or get the free, get leads, right? Get leads now. We're going to change this color, put it in the middle, and then is simply put, if you go here, your form is right here ready to go to collect some information, right? So we're going to put something catchy right here, and we're going to put something like forget the monthly cost, expensive marketers hire experts that will get the job done, or something like that. Whatever copy that you want to write down right next to the form, so they can fill out the form for a complete overview. Okay. Now, once we hit save and we name it whatever, name it test, right? And we fill out all this information, we can actually preview this page and how it looks like. Let's see, why does it, let's see, the form looks like that. You're probably wondering, why does the form looks like this? Usually because I haven't saved it yet. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna just save form. There you go, don't forget that step. And now, if we save it here, and then we preview it, now we have a form. Now, here's the trick. When somebody gives you full name and email and click on get leads now, you can do two things. All right. Number one is you can actually send them to another page so they can schedule an appointment with you. Why? So you can close them on whatever offer you have through on the phone or on Zoom. Number two, your thank you page could be um, someone else's offer, someone else's landing page where they can book an appointment. And that way you can make money that way. Now, you can also apply for an affiliate program. So if we go on ClickBank, I'm just going to Google ClickBank, and I'm going to put links in the bottom so you can find these things. I'm going to put links for ClickBank. You go to ClickBank and you make an account, you sign up. What happens is you can find opportunities in ClickBanks that you can promote. And you can create your funnel. Again, we're going to go back to our drawing board. You can create your funnel according to that specific product that you're promoting. All right. Sometimes you can even copy their funnels. You can copy what they're doing, right? So I don't really promote ClickFunnels no more. I used to be huge on this. I used to be a top producer, but now I'm more of a hands-on CEO. So but essentially, you're just going to come to Marketplace, and there's so many categories that you can find, people in. So business and investing, this is the average commission that you're going to get on each sale. So for instance, check this out. So we're going to take this one, for example, 185 conversion per sale. So we're going to click on promote. We're going to create a link, and we're going to take this link and actually, you know, go on it, see what's going on with this. So it's probably an offer, 10,000 pitbuilder.com. So for this, a lot of Forex traders will be interested in this thing. So let's say you create a funnel, you create a page, one page that has similar stuff to this. And then once they join, they come to this website. And you want to find free traffic. What I would do is I would go on Facebook and type in Forex signals groups, and I would join these groups and try to be interactive, try to give solutions, and every now and then give them your link so they can actually, use the service, right? So, and if they sign up with the service, you get $185. Pretty good deal, right? $185 for every time that somebody signs up, right? It's amazing. And then you can probably find something that's more expensive. There's lower end offers, there's other offers. You can find a bunch of stuff here. Another thing, if you want to do life and sports and nutrition, I personally promote this company called Melaleuca. We get a ton of leads on Facebook. They come in straight to Kenji CRM. And when they come into the CRM, they come in as a lead, and they usually want to get started. As you can see, great, yes, how, that would be awesome. All these people kind of interact with you, especially if you have your phone number linked. And there is a video about how to link your phone number in the support section right here. Long story short, let's go back to our drawing board. So what happened is we created a page with, it could have a video, it can just be simple page collecting phone number, email, sometimes just email. And the traffic would come in from Facebook groups to this page. From YouTube, you can make YouTube videos about what you're promoting to this page, and you can run Google ads, and you can, drive Google traffic to this page. And then what happens is the traffic comes in, and then after that comes in, they go to your product directly, which is going to be the thank you page is your product. Or you can have your own thank you page with different products. It can have product number one, product number two, but product number three, but I don't recommend it. It's kind of confusing the clients, and they won't really do anything. Another thing, since you got their information, you can send them an SMS, right? Or you can send them an email with the same product or different products. Now right here you can promote different products in the email, but right here it becomes kind of annoying for them. Right here you can also drop voicemail and newsletters on them using Kenji CRM. Okay, and the way to do that is once they become a lead, you're going to go to follow up, and actually you want to set that up before you start sending traffic. You want to set up a campaign for people that are already signed up. You want to set up a campaign for every situation that happens in the selling process. What happens if they say yes? What happens if they want more info? You can add different campaigns when you send them an invite, and you can have different campaigns when they buy something from you. Um, and these campaigns can have multiple things like SMS, email that goes out, and it's by a timeline. And you can add like a voicemail, you can add a manual call, you can add multiple things to your campaign in order to make more sales of that initial offer that you're promoting, or whatever. Now you're like, I'm lazy. I don't want to do Facebook groups. I don't know how to get traffic. It's just insane. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on something called Udemy, and you're going to go and click on solo deals, and you're going to buy traffic for really cheap right here. You can buy traffic as low as 45 cents, 40 cents per click. And then you can test different vendors, different people. A lot of these people have good reviews and they have good sales experience. So for instance, this guy's running my solo right now. He's killing it for me. Kenji's growing because of these guys. And what happens is, I give them my link. I tell them how many clicks I want, and I pay about $120 for 225 clicks, and it's all tracked. And we track everything, all the users, and that's where my traffic comes in from. And you can pretty much rack up a lot of sales using this traffic method, a lot of subscribers, a lot of contacts, and it does take a little bit of investment. These people are taking at least $50 order, $60 order, so you can start around there. And this is their percentages of how much percentage of their solo ads are being actually um, being sold. Like, he's helping a lot of people selling, so this would be a good candidate to buy a solo ad from. Okay. And then, like I said, you drive them to this page, and then from this page they do what you want them to do after. All right, this is probably even less than 30 minutes. It's that simple, you guys. Go ahead and try this. Do this on Kenji. Create a funnel, create another step. You can create multiple steps in the funnel. um, you can create a survey in the funnel, and then so on and so forth. You can even have a membership area for your people to train them on a certain thing within the funnel, and so on. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and shoot us a message to the support team, and we'll be more than happy to make you a video and walk you through the solution. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.